Hey beauties, Bianca Charisma here, and today I have a curly ponytail tutorial for you guys featuring CutiePie Tresses. So let's get into it. So this is the gorgeous, beautiful, curly unit. It is a drawstring ponytail unit, and it came with a pink drawstring bag, which was super cute. I am just saturating my hair with water so I can quickly detangle it and put my hair up into a high ponytail. I always like to wet my hair before I comb and detangle it when it is in its natural state. So I am putting it in a high ponytail, and now I am just using some Eco Styler gel to gel my hair up into the ponytail. So you guys, just to let you know, this ponytail is natural. It is natural meaning it is virgin hair. It is curly hair. It is 18 inches. It is lightweight, so it's not heavy at all, but also it is a thick ponytail. So I'm telling you guys, you are going to love it so much. I love to just pop it on and pop it off. So what I am doing now is, now that my hair is gelled up and in a ponytail, I am using this leave-in conditioner, and I am basically just saturating my ends with leave-in conditioner. I will have all the products that I use in this video in the description box, you guys. Also, there is a discount code. I will flash that discount code right across the screen, and it will also be in my description box. So I braided up my ponytail, put it in a little bun, and let's get to the baby hairs, you guys. Now, some ladies like baby hairs, some ladies don't. It is up to you what you want to do with your edges. I am just showing a quick demo of how I like to do my baby hairs. It doesn't have to be perfect for me. I just like to just put a little bit of something on there just to give it a nice little swoop. I also like to use tinted edge control as well. So I am just letting my hair set for 10 minutes with the scarf on. Took the scarf off, and yes honey, let's get to this ponytail action. So the ponytail, it's going to come with 2 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom. It's also going to come with a little drawstring. And so I'm going to go ahead and take the ponytail, and I'm going to put it right around my already made bun. So that's why you want to make sure your hair is in a very small bun, because you want it to fit underneath the drawstring ponytail. So I am just attaching the combs from top and then the bottom, and then I'm pulling the drawstring ponytail as tight as possible, making sure it is secure. You do not want your ponytail falling off, so definitely want to make sure it is on there tight. So for this step, you guys, I highly recommend that you get a bobby pin, and basically you go around and around the root of the ponytail with the actual drawstring part of the ponytail. I didn't have a bobby pin on hand, so my drawstring was not secure as much as I would like it to have been. So I had to go ahead and fix it. But anyway, I took a piece of hair from the back of my ponytail, I combed it out, and I am just twisting it around the root just to camouflage like the root of my ponytail, to make it look a little more natural. So this is the look. Very, very cute. Great for the summertime, great for the spring, really just great for all year round. You can comb it out and make it really big. You can wear it to the side, you can wear it in the middle, you can do a slick back ponytail to the back. It's really up to you. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in a high pony. This is also how it looks from the back. Super natural, super cute. I absolutely love it, you guys. 5-minute hairstyle, glam on the go. And I hope that you guys really like it. Comment below if you like it. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, and I will talk to you guys later.